How to make Vietnamese coffee with a Cafe Phin. Parts list. Cafe Phin lid. Grounds guard. Brew chamber. The plate filter. Add 1 ounce condensed milk. Place Phin on mug. Remove lid and grounds guard. Use full packet of Owlverick's coffee or 18 grams coarse ground Owlverick's coffee. Shake Phin to level coffee. Use heat-safe measuring cup. 180 milliliters of water just off the boil. Gooseneck kettle can help accuracy. Saturate the grounds with about 30 milliliters of water. After 15 seconds, press grounds guard firmly for a snug fit. Pour remaining water over grounds guard. Place lid on top of Phin. Brewing can take 5 to 12 minutes. If dripping stops but water is still in brew chamber, gently stir to get things moving. After brewing is complete, flip your lid. Remove Phin. Stir to mix everything. Add ice. Hooray! You've done it! Your authentic Vietnamese coffee is ready. Thanks for being bold. Enjoy!